Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make frosted brownies. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 325 degrees. And then in a large bowl add the melted butter and sugar. And whisk them together until they're well combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, add in the cocoa powder, flour, and salt, and whisk them together until they're well combined, and set it aside for now. Then into the butter and sugar mixture, add in the eggs and vanilla extract, and whisk them in until they're well combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and fold them in gently until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then grease an 8 or 9 inch square baking pan with nonstick cooking spray and pour the batter into the pan, spreading it out until it's even. And bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes or until it's barely set in the middle. You don't want to overbake them. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. While they're cooling, you can make the frosting. This frosting recipe pairs really well with the brownies because it's less sweet and more creamy. So to make it, in a medium bowl, add the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer until it's smooth, and sift in the powdered sugar and mix it in on low speed until it's combined, and add in the vanilla extract and heavy cream and beat it in on a medium speed for 2 minutes until it's light and airy. Then you can color it whatever you like or just leave it the way it is. I'm choosing to use pink. And just mix it in until it's combined. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then spread the frosting over the brownies. Make sure the brownies are cooled completely. And top it with some sprinkles. And use a vegetable peeler to shave some chocolate into a bowl and sprinkle it over the top of the brownies. And that's how to make frosted brownies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.